Hello, dear teacher. In this second video, I decided do the videos because in the first part only presentation and the second part I can mention that the teacher they select the video. For me was very important the video number 3. I choose this video because I consider that it was very interesting. So I mean super significant because it is in this video I can see or the video show how ambitious the man is the difficult situation teacher talk about the future because when the men have a power is very difficult. So with the easy that they allow him to have the power to take things very easy, and so but when he get to the safe was the ambition they give his life because he was stuck inside and destroys on the paper, yeah, is taken off, and the men mm, is more easy say bye, yeah, finish this his life because he considered easy many money and sorry, mm, much money when think is very easy and have mm, much money, and when finish, yeah, look it inside and this uh, lost the paper and taking off. Okay, teacher, thank you, bye.